Here's another video about high lifter control arms and how easy they are to install and maintain. First thing you want to know about high lifter control arms is they use stock bushings and ball joints for your specific year and model. What that means is when it's time to replace, you call high lifter or any dealer, tell them you've got a 2014 or 2019, you're going to get the correct bushings for your year and model to fit your high lifter control arms. The second thing to know about high lifter control arms is the option of pre-installed ball joints. We know not everyone has the equipment to remove the ball joint from your original arm and put them in your new high lifter arm, so we offer our control arms for the more popular models with ball joints already installed. If you don't see your model available, give us a call and we can get it done for you. My last point here is fitment. We have a team of engineers and welders who strive to make sure that your new high lifter control arms fit like they're supposed to. What that means is whenever you're installing your new arms, you're going to notice they fit just like stock with minimal effort required. If you have any questions or you're ready to place an order, visit our website, give us a call. We're always happy to help.